In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ichimoku Cloud onto your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is a powerful and versatile indicator that can help you understand market trends, momentum, and potential support and resistance levels. Whether you're new to trading or looking to expand your analytical tools, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process of adding Ichimoku to your charts. First, let's ensure you have MetaTrader 5 open and ready to go. Once you've launched the platform, identify and select the chart that you want to analyze. This could be any asset or financial instrument you're interested in examining. Make sure the chart is clear and easy to read, because we're about to enhance it with the Ichimoku Cloud. Now, moving up to the top of your screen, you'll want to focus on the menu bar. Here, you'll see several options sprawled across the top. Click on Insert. This is your gateway to adding a host of indicators to your chart. But today, we're focusing on the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, often simply referred to as Ichimoku. Ichimoku combines several moving averages and is designed to provide a comprehensive view of the market in a single glance. From the Insert drop-down menu, hover over to Indicators. This will open another list of options. Navigate to Trend within this list. As its name suggests, the Trend section is where you'll find indicators specifically designed to help analyze market trends. Among the options, you'll find Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Click on this and MetaTrader 5 will open a new window where you can customize the Ichimoku settings. Now, a little context about Ichimoku. It's a combination of 5 lines on the chart, each representing a different aspect of the market. By default, the settings are typically adjusted to 9, 26, and 52 periods, but you can tweak these based on your trading strategy. However, if you're just starting out, I'd recommend sticking with the default settings. This will provide a balanced view until you become more comfortable with its functionality. Once you've reviewed or adjusted the settings as needed, look towards the bottom of this window and locate the OK button. Simply click on OK, and just like that, the Ichimoku Cloud will appear on your chosen chart. Observe how it overlays, offering visual signals about potential price movements. Each component of the Ichimoku Cloud will present information about trend direction, momentum, and strength. Remember, as with any trading indicator, the Ichimoku Cloud should be used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools and market insights. It's not infallible, but it can be a game changer when used correctly. Give yourself time to learn and understand the various signals, and soon you'll be able to integrate the Ichimoku Cloud seamlessly into your trading strategy. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy analyzing, and see you in our next session where we'll dive deeper into maximizing the potential of your trading tools.